Up here behind the house, the pool site. We got those two trees out, those two oak trees. They were a bear getting out of here. I mean, just a lot of branches. Anyway, they're both out. I left the stumps up like I did on the other one. So when they dig them out, it's easier to get them out when you got a little leverage, having a big stump on it. So there's the pond, nice and full, nice and clean. Got a good rain, but we haven't got anything since, so at least all the ponds are filled up, but I think we're still in drought mode though. Now we're still hauling the brush. Still have to haul the brush. We're working on that today. Just pulled all the brush up here. That little barn up here. Anyway, it's all stacked up here. All there around the corner, whole bunch of brush. We'll get all that out of here and that'll be good.